buttery.
It is buttery. Buttery smoothness.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Steve, and we've been asked a bunch of times for plans on how to build our cable caddy, so here you go. This is something that anybody with basic tools can build in their garage. If you're one of our contractors, we're happy to send you a detailed set of instructions so you can build one of these yourself. This includes a material list and written instructions.
Let's do some shopping.
First things first, site your lumber like a pro would do. You could use a quarter sheet of 3/4 inch plywood, but I found two 2-foot by 2-foot pre-cut pieces, so I grabbed those because I'm lazy. Now head over to plumbing and grab your pipe. Grab a 1/2 inch by 18 inch pre-threaded pipe and a couple of end caps. Now it's time to build. The directions are pretty self-explanatory. Use a tape and a straight edge to lay things out. Mark and cut the tapered sides. Mark and drill 3 1-inch holes as shown. You'll end up with something that looks like this. Pro tip, connect the 1-inch holes you drilled for the hand holes with a jigsaw. Next, cut your blocks. I built this prototype using a 2x8, but the plans show a 2x6 because frankly a 2x8 was just overkill. Now, mark out the approximate screw locations for the 2x6 blocks. Pilot hole your screw locations. Now screw the 2x6 blocks between the plywood sides. Give the pipe a test run. Cool, it works. Bonus points if you sand, because why not? Gravity is your friend, so you should load spools from the side like this. Otherwise, the experience will be pretty miserable. And there you go. Your fancy new heat cable caddy will hold up to a 1,000-foot spool of Heat Tape Pro. Make you more efficient, make you more professional, and make you more money. And who doesn't like more money?